Hi friends, I want to ask you to join me on a visual journey as I bring a hand to life on paper. Dive into the world of artistic expression and elevate your skills in this must-watch tutorial. Mastering the art of drawing realistic hands involves several key secrets. Drawing hand poses can be challenging but rewarding. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you. Begin with a loose gesture sketch to capture the overall pose and movement of the hand. Focus on the basic shapes and angles. Break down the hand into basic shapes like rectangles for the palm and cylinders for the fingers. This helps establish the overall structure. Identify the positions of joints and knuckles. Pay attention to the bends and angles of the fingers, considering their natural range of motion. Ensure proportions are accurate. Compare the lengths of fingers and the size of palm relative to the rest of the hand. Adjust as needed. Refine the fingers by adding curves and tapering where necessary. Include details such as nails, wrinkles, and joints. Understand the underlying anatomy of the hand. Familiarize yourself with the placement of bones, tendons, and muscles. This knowledge enhances your ability to depict various poses realistically. Experiment with dynamic poses to add interest. Consider the function of the hand in the chosen pose, whether it is grasping an object or gesturing. Refer to photos or real-life hand models to understand how hands naturally move in different poses. This helps in achieving authenticity. When drawing hands in perspective or foreshortened positions, pay attention to the distortions of shapes. Shorten and widen certain elements as they recede into the distance. Apply light and shadows to emphasize the three-dimensional form. Understand how light falls on the hand in the chosen pose. Remember, practice is crucial when learning to draw hand poses. Regularly sketch different hand gestures and positions to improve your skills over time.